নমস্কাৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকল, আমাৰ চেনেল জ্ঞানদীপ ফুল আপোনালোকক পুনৰবাৰ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। সো আজি আমি লৈ আনিছোঁ আপোনাৰ কাৰণে আসাম সেক্ৰেটাৰিয়েটৰ 2018 জুনিয়ৰ এডমিনিষ্ট্ৰেটিভ এছিষ্টেণ্টৰ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰ। সো ইয়াৰ এটা পাৰ্ট আমি অলৰেডি আপলোড কৰিছোঁ। যদি আপোনালোকে চোৱা নাই তেতিয়াহ'লে এই ভিডিঅ'টোৰ ডেছক্ৰিপশ্যনত তাৰ লিংকটো দিয়া আছে, তাৰ পৰা আপোনালোকে সেই পাৰ্টটো চাব পাৰিব। কম্পিউটাৰ ছেকশ্যনটো অলৰেডি আপলোড কৰা হৈছে। সো এতিয়া আমি জিকে ছেকশ্যনখিনি আলোচনা কৰিম। সো এতিয়া ভিডিঅ'টো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰা হওক। ফাৰ্ষ্ট কুৱেশ্যন: fertile soil suitable for growing common crops is likely to have a pH value of, answer is option D, 9 to 10. Next question: one should not connect a number of electrical appliances to the same power socket because, answer is option B, this can damage the domestic wiring due to overheating. Next question: pure water can be obtained from seawater by the process of, answer is option B, distillation. Next question: an image of dancing girl is found at, answer is option B, Mohenjo-daro. Next question: the Harappa civilization was non-Aryan because, answer is option B, it was urban. Next question: the Rig Veda consists of, answer is option B, 1028 hymns. Next question: the Muslim scholar who accompanied Muhammad of Ghazni was, answer is option A, Al-Biruni. Next question: choose the correct principles of the Bhakti movement from the following, answer is option C. Next question: which Sultan of Delhi brought the Ashok's pillar to Delhi, answer is option C, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Next question: the Treaty of Basin was signed by the English with the, answer is option D, none of the above. Next question: match the following, correct answer is option C. Next question: the organizational change to turn the Congress party into a real mass political party was made for the first time in, answer is option C, 1920. Next question: which of the tributaries of the Ganga system flows northwards, answer is option B, Son. Next question: assertion eclipse do not occur on all full moon and new moon days. Reason: the moon revolves around the earth in an elliptical orbit. Correct answer is option B, A and R are true and R does not explain A. Next question: the model code of conduct for political parties and candidates to be followed during the election is, answer is option B, specified in the Representation of the People's Act 1951. Next question: who of the following is the executive head of a state, answer is option B, governor. Next question: in India, monetization of the fiscal deficit is achieved through, answer is option B, printing new currency notes. Next question: HTTP in computer refers to Answer is option A, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Next question. If water in a lake were to behave like other liquids, then in extremely cold weather it would freeze. Answer is option D, from bottom to top. Next question. In cold countries, alcohol is preferred to mercury as a thermometric liquid because answer is option C, alcohol has a very low freezing point. Next question. Which of the following electromagnetic waves has the longest wavelength? Answer is option B, infrared. Next question. The pole star does not seem to move because answer is option A, it is in line with Earth's axis of rotation. Next question. Television signals cannot be received ordinarily beyond a particular distance due to answer is option A, curvature of the earth. Next question. Fission reaction takes place in answer is option C, a reactor as well as an atomic bomb. Next question. The age of the earth can be estimated by answer is option B, uranium dating. Next question. The process of elimination of water from any system is called answer is option D, dehydration. Next question. The human body contains the maximum amount of answer is option C, water. Next question. Match the following. Correct answer is option A. Next question. In which of the following movements did Mahatma Gandhi undertake hunger strike as a weapon? Answer is option A, Ahmedabad mill strike. Next question. Upanishads are books on answer is option C, philosophy. Next question. ICTAs were answer is option B, generally transferable revenue assignments. Next question. Primitive man first learned to answer is option A, make fire. Next question. When did the Muslim League adopt self-government as one of its objectives? Answer is option B, 1912. Next question. In the Islamic buildings that came up in India, the elements of decoration did not include answer is option B, depiction of living beings. Next question. Which of the contemporary Muslim writer criticized Alauddin for his disregard of religion? Answer is option A, Barani. Next question. Which theory tries to explain the distribution of oceans and continents? Answer is option D, tetrahedral theory. Next question. Where do Bhagirathi and Alkananda join to form Ganga? Answer is option B, Dev Prayag. Next question. What is the main sanction behind the fundamental duties? Answer is option C, moral. Next question, which among the following rights literally means you may have the body? Answer is option C, habeas corpus. Next question, for the enforcement of fundamental rights the courts can issue. Answer is option D, a right. Next question, the first bank managed by an Indian board was. Answer is option A, Punjab National Bank. Next question, who among the following Nobel laureates was not an Indian citizen? Answer is option D, none of the above. Next question, the first Chinese pilgrim to visit India was. Answer is option C, Fahian. Next question, match the following. Correct answer is option A. Next question, match the following. Correct answer is option B. So এইখিনি আছিলে আসাম সেক্ৰেটাৰিয়েটৰ এক্সামৰ জিকে কোৱেশ্চনখিনি আৰু ইয়াৰ পিছৰ কোৱেশ্চনখিনি আমি ইয়াৰ পিছৰ ভিডিঅ'ত আগবঢ়াম। যদি ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল লাগিছে তেতিয়া লাইক কৰি দিব, লগতে আমাৰ চেনেলটো যদি এতিয়ালৈকে সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰা নাই তেতিয়া সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব। আজিলৈকে এইখিনি, আকৌ এটা নতুন ভিডিঅ'ত লগ পাম। ধন্যবাদ।